Hi guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I got my flowers in today for Valentine's Day. I'm selling roses and it just came, so I want to do the unboxing with you guys, okay? So here is one box. I think this is my greenery. So let's see how it looks. It comes in a box like this. Okay. And I'm gonna keep these, but these are good boxes. So I think I'll keep these when I go selling, if I, go around, I'll have some displays in there. And this is what they look like. Got tissue, I love leather leaf. These are really nice. So there's one, two. Leather leaf is old school. I guess a lot of people don't like to use it anymore, but that's what I trained in when I was catering, especially because I catered a lot during Christmas time, and so I would just lay some leather leaf on the table and have a bunch of fruits and stuff on there. Okay, so let me count I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay, so we got 5 bunches of leather leaf. And this beautiful baby's breath. It's so nice. These are nice bunches. Okay, so that's 2, and I got 3 more in here. So we got, it looks pristine and beautiful. I'm just gonna go on, and they're already like, you don't have to do anything to this foliage. Years ago, I took a floral designing class, and that man, he was like everything with the flowers, honey. And he did a lot of the weddings and stuff here in Atlanta. He was bad with those flowers. And I took because as a caterer, I felt you should be able to do everything. You should be, I know how to bartend, I cook, I decorate, I floral arrange. There's been a couple of weddings that I did where the floors needed help, something, and I was able to get in there and help them out. Okay, so that's the greenery. Looks good. Oh, before I, let's see. So I guess everything else is on it says keep away from heat or frost. Product of Colombia. And these came from Miami. I'm in Georgia, so they came up the road a bit. Miami be having those bomb flowers down there. They come from Colombia, and they're grown in Ecuador. Okay, so here is the box my roses came in. Okay. These also came from Miami. These are Freedom Roses. I ordered these in January, scheduled them to be delivered today. They were delivered right on time. So let's see. Okay, came with the packing slip. envelope. Let's see how these are packed. They're packed in the box. Okay. So these things, I need to cut them to release. In a bunch. Look how beautiful they are. Wow. And each bunch comes with some flower food. And there should be 25 in a bunch. One. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me count. The way they have them stacked, see, they have maybe like 12 down here. 12 down here and 13 up there. Packed very nicely. Yes. Yes. 25, 50, 75, and 100 in this box. Yes. Okay, so now pack them very well. And what I have to do now is prep them. I'm gonna take the foliage off of these, off of all of them. I'm gonna set up some buckets with water. I'm gonna let them drink overnight. Then tomorrow, I'll make arrangements and I'll bring you guys along the way. So let me see. Let me open up a bunch. Didn't even bring my, so they come with a sleeve on the outside. They have rubber bands around them. And we got the flower food. Okay. And what I do, I keep them in this until I'm ready to make them, make the arrangement. So I'll go on, and because they cleaned a lot of this up. Just take some of the foliage off down at the bottom. Still have thorns on them. They're not bad. You can just easily pick thorns off. I don't use the stripper, the flower strippers, because it will damage the stems. You know, if you got thousands and thousands of roses to process, you got to use that stripper thing. And if you like just doing it for a production or something, if you don't mind the thorns. But if someone's going to like take it into their home, you don't want thorns on them. Okay, so I just like clean because you don't want any foliage, any of these greens in the water, because it will, you know, contaminate the water. It will, you know, cause bacteria to grow. So that's what I'll do to each bundle. Just take these leaves off, and I'll keep some at the top there. Okay, so just wanted to share my unboxing with you. In my next video, I will show you how I prepare these, like the night before, an arrangement. I'll share that with you guys, okay? So thanks so much for tuning in and going through this unboxing with me. These are amazing. I got my money's worth. I'm so thankful. And we're getting ready for Valentine's Day. So if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, see me on the next video. We're going to process these. Bye guys. Bye mom.